Unlocking Amazon Success, 2025 Seller Secrets. Want to know the real secrets behind those people making thousands every month selling on Amazon in 2025? Spoiler alert, it's not luck, it's strategy. And let's be real, who needs luck when you have a proven game plan, right? In today's video, I'm revealing the step-by-step secrets to becoming a profitable Amazon seller this year, even if you're starting with zero experience. That's right, you don't need to be a business whiz or have a ton of capital to make this work. Stick with me till the end because secret number 5 is the game changer most people completely ignore. This is the stuff that separates those who make a quick buck from those who build long-term sustainable wealth on Amazon. Let's dive in. Secret number 1, picking a winning product, the 80/20th rule. Alright, let's talk about the 80/20 rule because this is huge when it comes to Amazon. 80% of your success on Amazon comes from 20% of your decisions. And trust me, product selection is at the top of that list. This is the foundation, guys. Get this wrong and nothing else matters. So how do you pick a winning product in 2025? It's all about finding that sweet spot of low competition and high demand. Think about it. You don't want to be battling against thousands of other sellers all vying for the same customer. You want a product that people actually want, but one where there's room for you to come in and dominate. Now how do you find these hidden gems? This is where tools like Jungle Scout Helium 10 and AMZA Scout become your new best friends. These tools allow you to spy on the competition, see what's selling, and most importantly what's not selling. Look for products with under 500 reviews but are still ranking well. This tells you there's demand but the competition isn't oversaturated yet. Here's a pro tip. Avoid electronics. This is a cutthroat category with razor-thin margins and tons of competition. Instead, go for evergreen categories: home, kitchen, fitness, baby, and pet supplies. These are products people always need no matter what the economy is doing. Another quick test you can do is the BSR test. That's bestseller rank. If a product has a BSR under 20,000 in your niche, that's a strong sign of demand. It means people are buying it, and that's what we want, right? See how I'm using Helium 10 here to analyze the competition, estimated sales, and even the keyword strategy? This is powerful stuff, guys. This one decision, picking the right product, can literally make or break your Amazon journey. Don't rush this step. Secret number 2, private label versus wholesale. Which one's best in 2025? Now once you've got your winning product idea, the next big question is, private label or wholesale? Both are viable options in 2025, but they each come with their own set of pros and cons. Private label is still king when it comes to building a long-term brand and maximizing your profits. Think about it. You get to create your own brand, put your own label on the product, and control your pricing. This means higher profit margins and the ability to build a loyal customer base around your brand. But, and this is a big but, it requires more upfront work. You're responsible for sourcing the product, designing the packaging, and building your brand from scratch. Wholesale, on the other hand, is like dipping your toes into the Amazon world. You're selling existing brands, which means it's easier to get started and there's less risk involved. You don't have to worry about building a brand from the ground up, and you can get started with a smaller investment. However, you have less control over pricing and branding, and your profit margins are generally lower. So which one's right for you? Honestly, the best way to figure it out is to test both. Start with small orders, maybe even just a few $100s worth of inventory, and see what works best for you. For sourcing private label products, Alibaba is your go-to platform. You can find manufacturers all over the world who can create custom products based on your specifications. For wholesale, check out platforms like Inventory Source or Wholesale2B. They connect you with verified wholesalers who offer a wide range of products at wholesale prices. My advice? If you're just starting, begin with wholesale to learn the ropes, understand how Amazon works, and get some sales under your belt. Then once you've found a profitable product and you're comfortable with the process, transition to private label and start building your own brand. Chapter 3. Secret number 3. Optimize your listing. The algorithm loves this. Okay, you've got your product, you've chosen your selling model, now it's time to make sure people actually find it. This is where your product listing comes in. Think of your listing as your salesperson on Amazon. If it's bland, boring, or confusing, guess what? You're invisible. First up, your title. This is prime real estate, people. You need to include your top keywords right here in the title. Don't just guess what people are searching for. use a tool like Helium 10's Cerebro to find the exact keywords your target customers are using. Next, images. High-quality lifestyle photos are an absolute must. Nobody's buying your product if the photos look like they were taken with a potato in a dimly lit basement. Show your product in action, highlight its benefits, and use infographic-style images to break down features and benefits. Bullet points are your next opportunity to sell. And remember, people buy benefits, not features. Don't just tell me your blender has a 2-horsepower motor. Tell me it can crush ice in seconds for the perfect smoothie. And if you're brand registered, which you should be if you're serious about this, take advantage of A+ content. This allows you to add enhanced images, videos, and even comparison charts to your listing, making it stand out from the competition. Remember, Amazon's algorithm rewards listings that convert well, so the better your page looks, the more engaging it is, and the more sales it generates, the higher you're going to rank. It's that simple. Chapter 4. Secret number 4. Launch strategy. How to get sales fast. Congratulations, you've made it to launch day. Now, the real work begins. The first 30 days are crucial for a new product. You need to build momentum, and that means getting those initial sales and reviews. So, how do you do it? First off, don't be afraid to spend some money on Amazon PPC ads. This is the fastest way to get your product in front of potential buyers. Target relevant keywords, bid strategically, and track your results closely. Next, offer a launch discount or coupon. Everyone loves a deal, and this is a great way to incentivize early adopters to take a chance on your product. You can use Amazon's built-in coupon system or even run a lightning deal to create a sense of urgency. Another powerful strategy is to leverage rebate services or build your own email list for review swaps. Now, I'm not talking about buying fake reviews, that's a big no-no. I'm talking about offering a genuine discount in exchange for an honest review. Services like Rebate or Zonguru can help you automate this process. And don't forget about Amazon's Request a Review button. This is a built-in feature that allows you to send a polite request for a review to customers who have purchased your product. It's a simple but effective way to boost your review count. Remember, you don't need 100 reviews to succeed, but you do need momentum. The more sales you get, the higher you rank, the more visible you become, and the more sales you make. It's a beautiful cycle. Chapter 5. Secret number 5. The hidden secret. Build a brand, not just a product. This, my friends, is the secret sauce. This is what separates the hustlers from the long-term winners on Amazon. Anyone can slap a label on a product and call it a day. But to truly succeed, you need to build a brand. What does that mean? It means having a consistent brand identity across all your touchpoints. Your logo, packaging, product photography, even the tone of voice you use in your listings. It all needs to feel cohesive and represent your brand values. It also means identifying and serving a specific niche audience. Who are you talking to? What are their pain points? What solutions are they looking for? When you understand your ideal customer, you can tailor your messaging and product offerings to meet their specific needs. And finally, building a brand means eventually moving beyond Amazon. Yes, Amazon is a powerful platform, but it shouldn't be your only source of income. Start building your own Shopify store or email list so you can retarget your Amazon buyers and create a direct relationship with them. This gives you more control over your business and protects you from the ever-changing whims of the Amazon algorithm. Think about it. People don't just buy products anymore, they buy stories. They buy experiences. They buy brands they trust and connect with. And Amazon knows this. They reward brands with higher visibility, better conversion rates, and even exclusive tools and programs. So start thinking like a brand owner, not just a product seller, and you'll be amazed at the results. Ready to launch your Amazon empire? So let's recap. Pick the right product, choose your selling model, optimize your listings, launch smart, build a brand, and automate for scale. That's how you become a profitable Amazon seller in 2025. Want a free cheat sheet with all the tools and resources I mentioned? Of course you do. Check the link in the description below. And hey, if you got value from this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. I'm ready to launch. I reply to every comment, and I want to help you succeed. Until next time, keep building that passive profit.